Hey there guys, this is like very quick video for you regards what you can actually expect out of the Grok plans and primarily like the free versus the paid ones, and if it's actually like worth upgrading or no, and what are the important things to be aware of. So primarily when you're going to be here and you're going to want to use the free account, so the free and paid versions offer primarily usage limits and image generations. So paid plans, for example, like the SuperGrok or SuperGrok Heavy, offer significantly higher message cap. So this is very important. Faster performance and also exclusive access to image video generation. So this is something that you can do, and you can have like individual and the business here. So the usage limit, this is the most important thing. So the free users face strict low cure limits per 2-hour window, and paid users, for example, for the SuperGrok right here, enjoy much higher caps with reports of 140 to 200 plus curious images per few hours. Also, the recent update, image generation is largely restricted to paid subscribers, and primarily like there was like this stuff about, you know, it's like if you are using Twitter, you know, like the X. Also, the model performance, some people claim no difference in the underlying intelligence, and the deep search or reasoning can be like more reliable, and also the latency and speed is better for SuperGrok and SuperGrok Heavy, so that's another thing. And if you want to like have more power, and if you want to like uninterrupted access, then like SuperGrok could be beneficial. But other than that, if you want to use it like occasionally, it's not really worth it to upgrade, to be honest. So hope this video actually like helped you, what you can actually expect, and let me down below in the comments like if you actually like upgraded to SuperGrok or no, or you're staying on a free one. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.